Hi, I'm Stuart Carr from Go Commercial, and thanks for watching another Shed Talk video. Right in the heart of Cairns Industrial precinct, Tenancy B, 1 to 5 Morrison Street, is now available for lease and the perfect choice for affordable, medium-impact industrial uses such as automotive and mechanical, engineering and manufacturing, a transport and logistics depot, and the list goes on. Having sold this property last year, the new owners have been very busy with a major refurbishment, including rewiring the electrical with plenty of three-phase power available throughout, a complete new insulated roof and guttering, roof ventilation, and compared to the old roof, it's amazing how cool this workshop is now, which also takes advantage of the prevailing breezes. Coming in at 870 square metres with 5 metres internal clearance, the workshop area features floor drainage and a separator, plenty of natural light, separate male and female amenities, and a shower. There's a 45 square metre air-conditioned office fronting the street with an over-office storage mezzanine to store your records and spare parts. There's generous leasing incentives on the table depending on the strength of the tenant and the length of the lease. So call me, Stuart Carr, or Jorian Cunliffe for more information to arrange an inspection or to do a deal on Tenancy B, 1 to 5 Morrison Street, Portsmith. And remember, if it's got a roller door and you're thinking of selling or leasing, get the agents with Go, Cairns Industrial Property Specialists, and get the deal done. Go Commercial, linking your vision and strength with ours.